This presentation is intended to provide a review of the importance of cleaning your hands. You may also hear the term hand hygiene. There are two objectives for this presentation. One, to review the role of cleaning your hands in preventing the spread of COVID-19, and two, to review proper technique for cleaning your hands and some tips for hand care. Being in close contact with others is a driver of transmission. Implementing a multi-layer approach to preventing transmission is important, and hand hygiene is one of those approaches. No single measure should be relied on by itself. Hand hygiene helps protect you from getting sick and protects others by preventing the spread of the virus that causes COVID-19 by your hands. And when done correctly, using alcohol-based hand rub, ABHR, 60 to 90% alcohol concentration, microorganisms are killed in seconds. When done correctly using soap and water, organisms are removed from the hands. This is the preferred method when hands are visibly soiled. ABHR is faster and more effective than washing hands with soap and water, even with an antibacterial soap when your hands are not visibly soiled. Jewelry. Hand and arm jewelry hinder hand hygiene. Rings increase the number of microorganisms present on hands and increase the risk of tears in gloves. Arm jewelry, including watches, should be removed or pushed up above the wrist before performing hand hygiene. This slide provides an overview of indications for cleaning hands. Before and after touching the mask and eating or drinking. Before and after removing facial PPE, e.g. mask. Before and after glove use. Before and after play / or use of shared equipment / toys. Before and after playground use / outdoor activities. Cleaning your hands often is essential in reducing the potential for illness to be transmitted from one person to another. This slide provides examples of activities after which hands should be cleaned, such as after using the washroom or assisting a student or child with toileting, after blowing your nose or assisting a student or child to blow their nose, and when returning inside from an outdoor activity, e.g. recess or physical education. There may be a need to clean hands more frequently. Consider as needed. Cleaning your hands often and when indicated is essential in reducing the potential for illness to be transmitted from one person to another. Hand sanitizer should be available and easily accessible in all classrooms. Safe placement of alcohol-based hand rub to avoid consumption or inappropriate exposure is important, especially for young children. This slide provides a visual step-by-step of how to clean your hands using alcohol-based hand rub, also referred to as ABHR. 1. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of product to palms of dry hands. 2. Rub hands together palm to palm. 3. Rub in between and around fingers. 4. Rub back of each hand with palm of each hand. 5. Rub fingertips of each hand in opposite palm. 6. Rub each thumb clasped in opposite hand. 7. Rub hands until product is dry. 8. Do not use paper towels. 9. Once dry, your hands are clean. Ensure you scrub your hands for at least 15 seconds, about the time it takes to hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end 2 times. Pay attention to all surfaces of the hands and fingers, including the tops of hands. This slide provides a visual step-by-step of how to clean your hands using soap and water. 1. Wet hands with warm water. 2. Apply soap. 3. Lather soap and rub hands palm to palm. 4. Rub in between and around fingers. 5. Rub back of each hand with palm of other hand. 6. Rub fingers of each hand in opposite palm. 7. Rub each thumb clasped in opposite hand. 8. Rinse thoroughly under running water. 9. Turn off water using paper towel. 10. Your hands are now clean. Ensure you scrub your hands for at least 15 seconds, about the time it takes to hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end 2 times. Pay attention to all surfaces of the hands and fingers, including the tops of hands. Paper towels are preferred for drying hands. The following slide highlights a few points to remember with respect to hand hygiene and respiratory etiquette. Respiratory etiquette is a term used to describe infection prevention and control (IPAC) measures to decrease the transmission of respiratory illness. Proper cough and sneeze etiquette, such as coughing and sneezing into a tissue, elbow, or sleeve, followed by cleaning your hands with ABHR/soap and water, can also help to reduce the potential for transmission of illness. Intact skin is the body's first line of defense, a physical barrier against infection. Soap, water, and other hand-washing products often contain detergents which can be drying to hands. Take care of your hands. Check them regularly for dry, cracked skin and apply creams or moisturizers to keep your skin healthy. Ensure hands are completely dry before putting on gloves. If you would like more information, please see the list of resources here. PHO would appreciate your thoughts on these refresher presentations. Please visit PHO's School Resources webpage to access and complete a short survey. If you have questions, please email communications@oahpp.ca. Thank you.